Jonathan has some lollipops and he wants to put them into boxes. When he puts 4 lollipops into each box, he has 32 lollipops left over. When he puts 7 lollipops into each box, the last box had only 3 lollipops. How many lollipops does Jonathan have? Now, this question is an example of a double if question, or what is known as a gap and difference question, where we see 2 scenarios. First one over here and second one over here. Alright, so we will write scenario 1. And this scenario will be 32 left over, so this is an excess. 32, we can put excess of 32. And then scenario 2. Okay, when you put 7 lollipops into each box, the last box only had 3. Last box is supposed to also have 7, but it only had 3. So there's actually a shortage. 7 minus 3 equals to 4. So this is a shortage of 4. Alright, so the very first thing we do, we find the gap first. Okay, to find the gap, we always take the, in this case, we will take 32 plus 4. Okay, the trick is this: if one is excess and one is in shortage, then we have to add to find the gap. If both are excesses, we do a subtraction, or if both are shortages, we also do a subtraction. Alright, so gap is 32 plus 4, that will be equals to 36. Next step, we find the shortage. Shortage is always a subtraction, okay, but subtraction between the 2 scenarios. So 7 minus 4, which is 3, and we can find the number of boxes, which will always be the gap divided by the difference. So 36 divided by 3, which will be 12 boxes. Okay, so to find the number of lollipops, we can use either of the scenarios. So let's say we want to use scenario 1. Alright, so when he puts 4 lollipops into the box, there will be 32 left over. So 4 times 12 boxes, there will be extra 32. So 48 plus 32, which will give us an answer of 80 lollipops. Alright, so you can use scenario 2 to do a check. Alright. Okay, scenario 2, when you put 7 lollipops into each box, which means you have 7 times 12, there will be a shortage of 4, remember? So we have to take away 4, because you don't really have this 4. Okay, so this will be 84 minus 4, which also gives us a final answer of 80 lollipops.